You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. In today's video, gonna be a little bit different. Before I say anything, I am not a tax professional. I am not an accountant, CPA, whatever you want to call it. I am just a trader giving some advice and what to look for when you are trying to trade as a business. Okay. So as y'all may know, I just went full time this past April, and I had to open up an LLC. So the reason to open up an LLC is to have different identities. So like all my expenses are like if I travel, cameras, like anything as far as business related, I'm gonna use that business account. Okay, so when I'm just gonna go through everything that the CPA told me, and hopefully this can help you. Okay, so I went to the CPA office, right? When I went to him, he asked me what streams of income do I have, bro. I told him all the streams of income that I had. I also told him that I'm a trader, right? Now, he said to me, this is what he said to me. He was like, okay, are you already making money in this business? And I'm like, yes. He was like, okay, you're gonna want to open up an LLC. Now, I didn't have an LLC at the time. I was just trading as like a self-employed, you know what I'm saying? So he was like, you're gonna want to trade as a business entity because you can switch that LLC to an S corp. Now, what is an S corp? An S corp is basically you can have the ability to hire yourself and then pay yourself a salary and save so much money in taxes. So he was explaining to me like the difference between LLC and S corp. Okay, so so he told me to go to my bank and open a business checking account, so it could be separate from your personal account. So say if something happens, say you just get sued, your business just gets sued, they don't touch your personal account. They would only be going after your business account. So it's just two separate things, you know what I'm saying? So so he told me to go to my bank and open a checking account, right? So after that day, the very next day, I went to my checking account. I mean, I went to my bank. I use Fifth Third Bank. So I went in there, and she asked for my EIN number. He gonna give you all the numbers to give to the bank lady or whatever. So she asked my EIN number. She asked me did I switch over everything far as, cause like, okay, say if you're getting paid by YouTube, right? You're using your debit card, like your personal account. You have to contact YouTube and transfer everything from your personal account to your business checking account. Everything have to get switched over. Okay, so that's why it's kind of important to have the LLC, so you can just, when it's tax time, you can calculate all the expenses and just look at your business checking account. Okay, so she asked me for my EIN number. She asked me how much I'll be making a month. She what was she asking? Just a bunch of personal stuff as far as the business. What is the business? You know what I'm saying? What are you doing? Is it only in this state? Like, she's gonna ask a bunch of questions, right? So once you get that settled in, she's gonna give you a little folder. I can't find my damn folder, but it don't even matter because the CPA gonna give you an email as far as the important stuff anyway. So after I left the bank, I have to meet up with him, with the CPA, to switch to an S corp. Now I'm in the process of that right now. That's where the taxes is really gonna get saved, because the LLC is just like a protection in case something happened, but the S corp is really where you save money in taxes. So that's where I'm at right now. Like, I'm switching my LLC to an S corp right now. So I don't want to give y'all advice on that, but I just want to say this: like, when you trading full time and you making nice amount of withdrawals, you're gonna want to trade as a business, bro, because you can switch to S corp. And who don't want to save money in taxes? Like, yes, it's okay. Like, okay, I'm gonna say this: if you open up an LLC, you don't have to switch to S corp. You don't have to at all. But if you want to save money in taxes, because I am a taxpayer now, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't get like how everybody work their job and then they get their income tax return. I don't get that anymore. I have to pay taxes. So it just, you're gonna want to save money in taxes regardless. But I'm saying this to say this: if you're trading full time and you're making a nice amount of withdrawals, you don't have to switch to the S corp. You could just, when you file your taxes, you could just be self-employed. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could just do that, and then you pay your little regular taxes, and that can be it. But if you want to save money, you're gonna want to switch to S corp. I'm not too familiar with S corp. That's why I'm in this position right now, and I'm gonna have to pay my CPA like $5,000 a year for him to figure everything out. So, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. And again, it's not even that hard. You just have to go to your local CPA, wherever you're from, bro. Go on Google, CPA near you. That's it. He's gonna help you. So this video is basically to just what you need to expect, okay? Because I don't want to give y'all no information that's false or that's not accurate, and then you go to him, you be expecting something and he don't do it. Like, just go to the nearest accountant and he's gonna get you right, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, most of this stuff you're gonna have to have somebody do it for you. You're gonna have to pay. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think the LLC, it cost me like $300 or something like that. Yeah, but that's just for Michigan. I don't know how your state is, but you're gonna have to pay an accountant, especially if you want to do the S corp. Like, that's a lot of stuff that you have to deal with as far as that. But yeah, the guy was telling me, like, once you switch to S corp, you're gonna save way more than a person that just have just strictly a LLC. You know what I'm saying? So, and I feel like when you are trading under a prop firm, you should definitely have an LLC. You know what I'm saying? In case something might go wrong or anything, like, you should just have separate accounts, business checking account and your personal checking account, just in case something might happen. You never know. You know what I'm saying? So that's my 2 cents with taxes, man. It's not even that deep. You just have to go to somebody that's a professional. You know what I'm saying? Like, at first I was kind of like nervous, like, should I get an LLC, like, or should I just not do that? But I know that once next year come, I'm gonna have to pay taxes. So it just be prepared for it. And even I was still making money before I had an LLC, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I gotta pay a little bit more, then that's perfectly fine. I don't care about it. But definitely, if you are a profitable trader and you are full time, you probably gonna want to open an LLC. Or if you just want to just go cold turkey and just regular self-employed, no business, nothing, then do that. But I recommend the LLC in case something happens, you know. So yeah, that's my 2 cents on taxes. And like, once you become a profitable trader, you're probably gonna want to trade as a business. And then again, like I said on my earlier videos, like, you're probably gonna want multiple streams of income anyway. So you could just slap all of that under one LLC, pay yourself, and then you saving so much money in taxes. It's just a win-win once you have multiple streams of income. But that's all I got in this video, man. I hope this can clear something up or just get you in the right direction. You know what I'm saying? Like, but that's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.